like I said, it's going to be a quiz day, so everybody get ready. Like I said, there's no mooting today. Everybody, we are going to see what we know. I'm just going to share my screen with slide that I was able to pull out that will help us today in class. Just 1 second, please, while I prepare that. Is it? Yeah, I think I got that right. Just gonna try and share. Yes. I hope it's uploaded right.
Yeah, correct.
All right. Am I sure? Is everybody seeing my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing it.
That's good. So, like I said, today is gonna be a quick quiz, and trust me, these are situations that we face, and everyone who has gone through masters, chief mate, or OW, or else must have really been able to get through this kind of training that we're going to be doing. So it's also an encouragement if you are also preparing for your orals in any way. Just pick one of these quizzes and really be very, very, very serious at it. I've been able to pull this down somewhere so we can be able to use it today in class. I think, let me see how many people are on my screen. So I'll go first. I'll start with, Beatrice, I'll start with you, then JJ, then after JJ, it will be EA for the third question. Are you guys ready?
Okay, sir.
So Beatrice, look at this lovely boy. I don't know what it is. Can you please tell me what it is? And then give me the characteristics of it. And tell me what is it telling me.
Okay, this is a not cardinal mark. Color red and yellow, flashing quick flash.
Slow down. Which color is that?
Sorry, black and yellow.
Okay, that was the color of the boy.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
And it's flashing, the characteristics of the light is quick flash.
What?
Quick flashing.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is telling me that I have to pass a note.
What's happening at the south?
There is a danger at the south, so I have to go north, pass by the north.
Does anybody have any objection to that? All right, thanks, Beatrice. That was nice. You did really nice with it. To be honest, the only one is the quick flash, where you said quick flash. It's quick or very quick, so you need to note that one as well. North, east, west, south. There's either quick flash or there's very quick flash. You understand? So when you're saying it also,
Yes.
don't stick to just quick flash. But yeah, that's nice. That was a good one from Beatrice. Who was the second person? JJ, are you set? There's no silent students in the class today. No silent students in the class today. Who is the next person? EA.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Here comes your own question. What's this?
This is a Southern Cardinal Boy.
What?
with southern cardinal mark.
It's south.
Yeah, south. I said southern cardinal mark. With the top mark, the two cones with the apex facing down. Retro reflector is yellow and blue. Flashes is quick or very quick 6 + 1 long flash. And when you see this buoy, you pass the southern part of the buoy, meaning there is danger on the northern part of the buoy.
Okay, what's the color of the buoy, okay?
The what?
You mentioned yellow and what?
The reflector, yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Yes, they have the color on the band on the buoy itself is yellow and black, but they always have these retro reflectors, which is yellow and blue. For the northern is blue and yellow, and I think east is blue. It's stated on the IALA Buoyage system, like that's how it's also stated on the IALA Buoyage system. So.
Okay, something I will cross-check, but let's just come back to what we're seeing here. You see, so what you're saying, this is yellow and black for the southern cardinal mark, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, like I said the other time also, you're very correct. The only thing I needed to know, although it's not stated here, is the 6 flashes, quick and very quick. How many seconds?
The 6 flashes is 10 seconds.
10 seconds for what?
10 seconds for the quick flashes.
Okay, can you start again? Then you give me how many flashes out for how many seconds, so I know we know what we are talking about.
Okay, this is a southern cardinal buoy with the apex, with the cones, 2 cones facing down. Color is black and yellow and black, which when you see this buoy, you pass the southern part of the buoy, which means there's a danger on the northern part. And the light is 6 quick or very quick flashes. That's 6 + 1 long flash. The duration is 10 seconds, 15 seconds for the quick and 10 seconds for the very quick.
All right. Does anybody have anything to add to that? Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, you got your point. The only thing I would just say is let's bring it back to the basics and let's stick to the basics on it as well. But yeah, that was great. We'll be coming back to you on the next question. So who is gonna help me with this? iPhone. Okay. OS.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, OS. How are you doing?
I'm very fine, sir. Sorry I was late. I am just coming in. I said, let me join the class.
It's perfectly fine, trust me. So tell me, which mark are you seeing on the screen now?
What I'm seeing right now is the East Cardinal mark.
East cardinal mark. Perfect. So what is it telling us?
It's telling us that if you are coming and you are seeing this, you should go through the western part of the.
Are we sure?
Yes.
If you see an East cardinal mark, let me see if I can draw it up again. Yes, someone is trying to stop me, but I'm coming. Just trying to see if I can get this slide up again. Oh, it's just hang on there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you.
All right. Oh, are you seeing what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
What?
Light, fog, signal, and buoyage. Cardinal marks.
That's correct. That's correct. So now, can you tell me where is the East cardinal mark?
That's where your cursor is now.
Thank you very much. So where is the danger in relation to the East cardinal mark?
Top mark towards the northeast.
Exactly. So when you see an East cardinal mark, yeah, you are not supposed to go
west. You're supposed to go the northeast or southeast.
Or east. So keep your what you just want to imply is don't go the opposite of the mark you're saying. So you see an East cardinal mark, yeah, the danger should be on the western side. What you should stick to is what you pass the east side of that boy.
Yeah.
Are you understanding me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's come back again to our question. That is not just for only the east, but if you see any mark at all, first of all, note the mark and note where the danger is. We're not just going to be taking any alteration. So you see an east cardinal mark. Where is going to be the danger?
West
Side of the boy.
West boy. Yes.
Thank you. So where are you going to pass?
I will pass through the northeast. I will alter my course to northeast, sir.
Just let the examiner know you pass the east side. Don't go digging northeast or wherever, except you are put in a situation. Are you following me?
Okay.
Good. You want to tell us the color of the light?
It's white and yellow flashes.
Now I'm confused.
Even real.
No, you're getting it, but it's the color of the light is for cardinal. It's always white. Don't let anything confuse you.
Exactly.
There's no other color that mixes with the cardinal color. Are you following me? So it's always white. Always white. And then east, 3 o'clock. What's the light? How many lights? How many flashes are you going to see?
It's 3 quick lights in every 10 seconds, or very quick 3 lights every 5 seconds.
Thank you. That's it. That's you coming up. I really like that. OS. And keep it up. as well. But always, first of all, first identify the boy, identify where you will pass. It's very, very important. You get, don't see an east boy and go and pass the west. What we want to find ourselves is the eastern side of it. So yeah, very good. Action. Keep east of this boy. Are you seeing it? So it's
Yes,
two
yes.
points. One point up, the other one points down, like on the side. And yeah, you've seen the color, but the three flashes, the quick and very quick, you got that fine. I must really say yes, you got that fine compared to the way you answered it last time. This one, yeah, I really see that you put in much more effort. So keep it up, keep it up. Now, West, JJ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Help us with West.
Okay, roger that, sir. This is a West Cardinal mark. It's an indication that there is a danger at the eastern part that I must keep to the west part of the cardinal for me to navigate safely. The flash is a white is a white flash, very quick flash, 9 times for 10 seconds, or quick flash for 15 seconds. It has the cone is the top mark is a cone, the apex facing each other, and we have white, black, white, and it can be spar or it can be a spar boy or sorry, I forgot the other one. That's what I know about the West Cardinal.
That's fine. Trust me, I like the way you really answered it, especially with the flashing, being able to get it all in a flow. But yeah, thanks. Keep it up, JJ.
Thank you, sir.
Now let's leave down. Let's come down to other maps. EA, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, test us. Let's see now. Let's know. Give us which boy is this?
That is an isolated danger mark. It is used to show that there is safe water all around the mark, that the boy is standing on a danger, and there's safe water all around the mark. It has it is represented with a spar or a cone with 2 fares or 2 balls, with each of them standing on top one another. And then the flash, the light is a white flashing light showing a group of 2 flashes. And
Thank
then
you.
yes, sir, that's it.
Thank you. Yeah, that was good. EA. Man, people really came prepared for this class today. But yeah, that was good. It really indicates that there's danger. Like you rightly said, and white light through group flashing. Let's see what we have here. And okay, I didn't ask you, EA, you keep clear. How are you keeping clear? You see it's right ahead. Are you going north, south, east, west, starboard, port, stop?
I can go any direction of the boy, whichever has enough navigable water.
Yeah, thanks. You can go whichever side. Just general practice, commercial practice. We just imply especially if it's in the channel and in the channel, the ROR has already tried to let us know, keep as much to where in the channel.
As much to the starboard side of the channel.
On the starboard side, and where will you keep it? Where will you pass? Where will you alter your course to?
I alter my course to starboard, keeping the boy on the port.
Starboard, but like I said, everywhere is safe. Everywhere around that place, but keep well clear of it. Yeah, don't just give it to 2 meters apart. But yeah, thanks. That was good. That was good. Seriously, and the speed at which you were able to answer that question, I was really saying, yeah, if you're able to answer all your boys like that, it was really nice. Thanks for that. Boom. Another interesting one. Who is here? Olatobi, I've been seeing your interesting chats and I always like them, but I've not heard your voice. Let's go.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening. At last. I mean, I've always been seeing your chat, but not your voice. Yeah, let's go. Kill me with this one.
All right, this is a safe watermark boy. It can be spherical, it can be a spar or a pillar shape. If it's a spar or a pillar, it has a top mark of a ball, which is always red. Then the lights can be isophase, occulting, long flash, or AMOS, A code.
Okay. The lights can be isophase or occulting. I'll get confused. One, because you've not told me the color of the light. Is it any light?
Yeah, the color of the light is white.
It's white. Secondly, you mentioned long flash. So is it just going to be one long flash till Mama calls?
Negative, sir. It's going to be I think, long flash every five seconds.
Are you sure?
Long flash every 10 seconds or 5 seconds. I'm not so sure what the duration now.
All right. Does anybody want to help us? One long flash in every
10 seconds.
in every 10 seconds. Thank you, Beatrice. Thank you. Olatobi, did you get that? Now you're sure?
Yes, I'm sure. 10 seconds.
So
Thank
next
you.
time, there's no doubt about it. One long flash. But yeah, I really like that. One long flash. But it's not just one long flash. Don't stop it there. Yeah, one long flash in every 10 seconds. So you mentioned isophase occulting. What are those? What's isophase? What's occulting?
Isophase means when the flash of the lights and darkness are equal, while occulting means when the duration of the flash of the light is higher than the duration of darkness.
Yeah, thanks. I'm trying to catch. Wait, can you explain it again? Sorry.
Isophase means the duration of the light and darkness are equal, while occulting means the duration of light when flashing is higher than the duration of darkness.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for that. So we need to catch that. We need to catch the isophase, and we need to catch the occulting as well. So you remember something like ISO. To me, ISO, I just remember it as a long flash, and like Toby has said, occulting. My own way, I just said occulting longer period of light than darkness, because flashing, of course, flashing is just, so if you want to catch a memory, flashing is just, the light is just coming and flashing. That means flashing, you have more darkness than the light. But then when you're saying occulting, that means you have more light than the darkness. You can catch that as well. Thanks, Olatobi. Thanks. Yeah, but just let's go a little more practice so that bam, we are very sure of our answer when we are speaking to both, our examiners as well. Thanks again. Let's go again. Yeah, so you can see our answers here. Isophase occulting, Morse code A. I think you mentioned one Morse code. It wasn't A.
I said A, Morse code, A code.
Oh, A code. All right. And thanks for that. So now, next one. Somebody help me. I think, was it Captain Success that dealt with this last week? Agberua. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm here, sir.
Yeah, good evening. How are you doing? Give us, kill me with this one.
Yes, sir. This is the special mark, sir.
It's a special mark.
Yes.
You are very special. You're a special mark.
It can either be a cone or a spar. The top mark is yellow, like a cross, 8 times yellow, sir. And
Yellow
it flashes yellow, not a white light. It flashes yellow. It is used to indicate special areas like military exercise areas, area like cable and piping, area like sorry, area that's just
You
escaped
want
my
to ask
mind.
the audience? You can ask the audience. Let's see, because this indicates
Yeah,
quite a lot, and
it also indicates termination point of TSS. It can also be used like special. There's a special marks to indicate such areas too. And
so what's the you mentioned the color of the lights. I'm not sure you've mentioned the sequence.
okay, the sequence of the light, the special marks. I'm sorry, I've not been in class for a while due to some reasons, so I'm just trying to recall, and I think I can.
You're covered.
That's why I had to come and join the class for today.
No, yeah, ask someone to help you. Let's just get the lights.
Please help me. Now we call you.
Okay, the reading of the light can be any reading other than those used for white light.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you very much. I can recall now. Any reading other than the one that is used for white light. Yeah, that's true. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's see. Thanks for that. But yeah, to be honest, I'm really impressed with the way you were able to give that as well, especially when you mentioned the TSS is not a common answer, but yet part of the answer as well. It's used to mention, mark areas on the chart, special areas, raise marks, mark the end of TSS, that's military, and like I said, the special mark really has quite a lot of places we use the marking in. And top mark, yellow cross. Thank you for saying that, because sometimes they put it and they will just ask you what's the top mark for it. And also the yellow flashing, which thank you. Anyone that is not used for white light and cannot be confused for white light. So Boroa, yeah, keep it up. Just continue practicing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, dear. Yeah, dear. Now let's go. Let's continue again. We've left others and we are coming down to the interesting bit of it as well. Who will I call? Prince. Prince, are you there? Prince has been very, very Prince, I'm not sure I'm hearing you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Prince. How are you doing? Can you help us? What's this? What are we seeing on our screen here?
Sorry?
Can you tell us? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen. I can see the screen.
Okay, what's it there?
Okay. Okay, here is a part-hand boy is in region A. Region A part-hand lateral mark. Over.
Okay, pattern lateral mark, region A.
Yeah.
What's the light?
Oh yeah, it's a region A. Is red, that's button, and the scan, it could be spar or pillar. And the light, the reading light is brick red. It flashes 3 group lights every 10 seconds. Thank you.
Sorry, can you come and give me the light? I'm trying to get something there.
I said the light, right?
Yeah, the light, the reading of the light.
Okay, I say it flashes 3 group. It flashes red lights. Like 2 group flashing, 3 group flashing every 10 seconds.
Yeah, I think you've got it up down to the rhythm of the light there.
Sorry, I can't read you.
I mean, you've got it up to the rhythm of the light, and I'm really say I was impressed of the way you were able to identify that it's a region A. That means you'll be able to have an understanding. But the rhythm of the light is where I have problem with. Do you want to pick someone in the house to help you out there on that rhythm of the light, or you want to try again? It's very important for us to get that rhythm of the light.
Okay, if there's anyone in the house, somebody can assist over.
Olatobi.
Yes, sir. The rhythm of the light. The rhythm of the light is very quick or very quick or long flashing. Not so sure.
There is a statement in our IALA, and it's one I've shared on the screen as well, and I really want us to really get this much. So yeah, Olatobi will be coming there, but there is something I'm looking for. Who again will help us? Beatrice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, JJ, go ahead.
Okay, sir. This is a point and lateral marks. For region A, it can be spar, pillar, or can. And the rhythm of the light, it can be quick flashing, it can be a normal flashing, it can be a long flashing or a group flashing, other than 2+1. Other than 2+1. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Prince, did you get that?
Absolutely. That is correct. That is correct. I just remembered now. Thank you very much. That is correct.
So yeah, we need to also be very conscious of that fact as well. That was what I was looking for you to let me know if it's much. Yeah, it can be any reading, wherever reading from the north. I mean, continuous, short, single, but any other reading apart from 2+1. So let's get that. Let's understand that. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You say the answer. I didn't get that place clear. Are you saying
Yeah,
that?
I said your answers are right. Your answers are fine, and I was really very impressed. Like I said, it's just the reading of the light. You need to get that, and it's going to be any other thing apart from what 2+1. So JJ has just hit us on exactly the point I was trying to make, and that's the answer I really.
Okay, though. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks, Prince. Thanks, JJ. That was really very impressive. Thanks. So let's come again and let's pick another boy. Who is helping us here? November Alpha. November Alpha. November Alpha has been quiet for some time now. Lima November, are you there? To be honest, there's no need to be shy in answering questions like this. This is how we are able to come out. And the more we say these things, the more we are able to deal with them as well. Okay, I think November Alpha is having a talk issue, so it's chatting the starboard and lateral mark, region A. Thank you. And that is his response. What's the light? November Alpha, if you're there, what's the light? I can see your messages.
Captain Busayo, while he's typing, let me encourage those that are quiet. So during our own oral preps like this, once they're asking other people question, I will know the answer. Then when they ask when it comes to my own turn, I will forget. You know. So in case you are witnessing the same thing, you know, those know you are not alone. We are plenty like that, you know.
No, that's true. That's true. Yeah, thanks very much. November 5 is dropping it's any lights other than composite. I like the word composite group flashing 2+1. Thanks, November Alpha. Thanks. Tell me, where are you gonna leave this boy when you are coming out of the channel? I'm not sure I'm saying his chat. Can somebody help me there? Oh, I'm saying it now. He said on the port side.
He said inbound or outbound, sir?
Outbound.
Okay, though. Outbound, it should be on my port side.
But yeah, I've seen Ernest chat now. Thanks. On your port side. Thanks, Prince. That was awesome. On your port side. So yeah. Lateral starboard and mount. Voyage system A. Leave it to starboard, stay in the channel, and of course it's pointed, conical, and the green, and then the sequence of the flashing will be, you know, anyone other than group flashing 2+1. Somebody with this one, iPhone. I saw your handsome face when I first started. iPhone. Tammy, Tamy. Did I get it right? Can you give me this one? Okay, then I'll come back to everyone. Egberua, let's start again. What's this one?
Okay, sir. This is a it's a port and lateral marker, region B.
Thank you. Port and lateral mark, region B. Okay, give us characteristics.
It's either a cone, a spar, or a pillar.
The light.
The top mark is green, as we can see, and the flash is green.
Reading.
It has the same characteristics with the. I mean the reading. Yeah, it has the same characteristic with the one for region A.
Which is?
They are very quick, a group, but other than this 2+1.
Other than what?
2+1.
What's 2+1?
That is a group flashing.
Thank you. Let us know it. Don't get into the 1+2. You will just if you just get to one time, you get to an exam, and examiner will ask, then you forget what exactly you're saying. So yeah, other than composite group flashing, 2+1. Yeah, thanks. That was nice. For you to even recognize it, that is even region B.
Yeah, composite group flashing.
Yeah, that was it.
To a channel, I'll keep it to my port side, and when going out, like the outbound, to be on my starboard side.
Starboard side, thanks. That's nice. Thank you. Yeah, you're doing fine. You're doing perfectly fine very well. That's impressive. So it's region B, is a personalized handbag, and like you said, you leave it to port. So I'll not put too much. Starboard hand. JJ, help me out here.
Okay, sir. Yeah. That is a lateral marks. Sorry, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir. That is a lateral marks for region B, starboard side. It can be spar, it can be pillar, and it can be conical in shape, with a top mark of a cone pointing upward. It has the same characteristics of light as of the region A, which can be quick flashing, which can be a low flashing or a long flashing, or even a group flashing, other than a composite group flashing 2+1. Over, sir.
This is what I call in Nigerian Yoruba language, Opo. When you know the English, you start blinking out. You're not speaking English again. You're speaking phonetics. You're just killing us this evening. Well done. Well done. Well done,
Sir, you
JJ.
got me. Thank you, sir.
That's really impressive. Thanks. But yeah, so you're coming outbound. Where did you say you keep it?
Yeah.
JJ, outbound.
Okay. If I'm coming out outbound, it's going to be the reverse, which means I'm going to keep her on my port side. And if I'm coming inward bound, I'm going to keep her on my starboard side. Okay?
Thanks. That's nice. I mean, you got it all nice, and that's very, very impressive. This is the kind of response, that will really help us, especially when we are even in the example as well. One thing I say about JJ's answers about this particular question was, the confidence. So that confidence is, the examiners will just ask you 1, 2, and he sees this kind of confidence in your answers. It just leaves the point and this guy I don't need to waste time with it. But yes, as funny as it sounds, it has happened. It has happened to me. It has happened to several other master mariners that you can ask and check as well. They get, as they're speaking also, but have a very good confidence. Don't go and have some confidence and it's the opposite that is coming out of your mouth, Joe. Please. But yeah, but your confidence can only come out when you are good in your practice and you've done a lot of practice as well. So I'm going to ask 2 more questions because I will just want to leave some time for us to discuss based on this is the last class for the year 2021. Awesome. It has been an awesome year. But yeah. Beatrice, help me out here. Which point am I saying? And what light am I expecting?
This is a preferred channel to starboard for region A.
Okay. Characteristics.
The characteristics of the light.
Yeah. What light am I expecting?
It's going to be flashing a green light.
Okay. Green lights. What's the reading?
The reading I can't recall.
Yeah, let someone help you. You help someone out that time. Who was the person? Let the person help you.
Igberua, help me.
Is this on paper or what?
Hey, a lady is asking for your help, and you're not willing. May I help us out here?
The reading should be the same with the normal region, region A.
What's the reading?
Okay.
Still the same with the other reading now for the preferred channel and the lateral marks. Sorry.
Has any reading other than composite group flash?
Are you sure?
I think we've been avoiding the composite 2+1, 2+1. So we should ask ourselves, when are we to use the 2+1? Now, since the normal we use them. So the preferred channel is the 2+1.
Okay.
Okay. So many people helping us out here now. Beatrice, you want to put all of them together and help us out now.
Okay, this is region B, region A, preferred channel to starboard, and the flashing green light. The reading will be composite group flashing, so +1.
Thanks. EA. Barua, did you catch that as well?
Yes, sir. The reading
very important. Very important. It's
So I think the light is wrong. I think the color
sorry, I
of
didn't
the
catch
light.
that. What was the light? Beatrice.
The light, I said green.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, that's fine. That's another thing that I was very confused when it was my time about this light as well. What is it gonna be? Is it green? Is it red? Is it going to be green or is it going to be red? But there's a reason why the reading is now different. Are you understanding? There's a reason why it's now different for you. So this particular light, yeah. Beatrice,
Yeah.
you want to check? Let's pick someone. Let someone help you out. What's the color of the light?
JJ, please help me.
JJ, come in. We don't have much time. But when you see a preferred channel, you look at the color that is more. Which color can you see more? Which color is more dominating? If I want to use that word, what?
Red.
Red. Stick to it.
Okay.
Don't allow any other one that come in between confuse you. So if you see a red, green, red, stick to it. But now what we change is the rhythm of that red. Are you following me? So that is why you see when we had that lateral mark, it was telling you no matter what, don't go and pick red because they will confuse it for preferred channel. Are you following? Don't go and pick composite flashing 2+1 because they will confuse it for preferred channel. So you can use any other reading. Are you following me? So when you see this dominating, forget about what's in the middle. Look at the dominating side
dominating color.
And as long as it's a preferred channel, you will have composite flashing what? 2 plus
1.
2 plus 1. And that helps us. So quickly.
Right, thanks.
Quickly, Beatrice, help me with this one.
Okay, this is a region A preferred channel to port side.
Okay. Help me with the light and the reading.
The light is green, and the reading is a composite group flashing 2 plus 1.
Very good. Thank you very much. Prince, come in. I see this light. I see this boy. Where am I passing?
Like I always ask, am I in advance?
Yeah, loud and clear. Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep the preferred channel. Sorry, you said it's inbound, right?
Yeah, inbound.
Okay, though. I will keep this. I'll keep it to my port.
You will keep it. You will keep to the port of it, or you will keep it on your port side. I want to know.
I'll keep the boil. Is a preferred channel to port. Yes. I'll keep it to my preferred channel to port. I'll keep it to my port, sir.
Meaning you will stay on the starboard side of it. No, I'm just trying to. Sorry. I'm just trying to understand. I'm not trying to confuse. I'm just trying to understand what you're trying to tell me. When you say you will keep it to.
Stand by. Stand by.
Stand by for. Yeah, let's on.
Okay. Yes, I'm going. I'm sorry. I'm going inbound. So
this is a preferred
channel report. I'm going inbound. Normally, it's supposed to be on my stab. Okay, now it's preferred channel to port. Yes, I'll keep the channel. I'll keep it to my starboard side. Yes, then I should take the port side over.
All right. Thank you very much. That's the correct
answer.
Loud and clear.
Sir, if I can just throw in 1 or 2 explanations, like what the boy is they said prefer channel to port, which means they prefer you to use the channel on your port side. So you alter to your port side and leave the boy on your starboard side. I think that would be an easy way to remember which place to alter to.
Yeah.
I copied that. You know, I confused because I was thinking inbound and about fine. You told me inbound. That's why I recollect. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Prince. Thanks, EA. Thanks for your contribution. So, Prince, did you get that? Prefer channel. Where is it prefer? Where is it prefer to go to pass through? As well. Thanks for that. That was nice. Really need to be more active. Prince, tell me first. What's the light? The color of the light and the reading.
Okay, the color of the light is green, and there are 2 composite lights.
2 what?
Composite group light. 2 plus 1.
No, come again.
I said the light will be green.
Mm-hmm.
The light will be.
The reading will be.
Sorry?
The reading will be.
2 composite lights. 2 composite flashing. Sorry. 2.
No, it's really interesting. We see because you have to struggle like this and get it. You have to continue like this and get it. But I really needed to get it. I'm not going to let you go until you get it. So
2 composite group lights flashing 2 plus 1.
I ask someone to quickly help you out there.
Am I right?
EA, help him out. What's the correct language?
Composite group flashing 2 plus 1.
Did you catch that, Prince?
Yeah, we're clear. Thank
Yeah,
you.
let me hear it. Let me hear you say it.
Sorry?
Let me hear you say it, please.
Okay.
What's the reading of preferred channel?
Two composite group /life. 2 plus 1. Sorry?
Come again.
Two is a composite 2 flashlights. 2 plus 1.
The composite group flashing 2 plus 1. Do you catch that? There is no two composites. The composite group flashing 2 plus 1. Do you understand? But I really see yes, you're coming up seriously. I just need you to put, go over this thing and memorize it. Go through it. Go through it over and over and over and over again. As well. I think this last slide as well, I can put it in the link on the group for who wants to go through it and practice their voice as well. Did you catch that, please? All right. Thanks everyone. We're really running out of time now, but thanks everyone. This was really a lovely class, and wait, it's Christmas. It's Christmas time. I think the bishop has announced holiday. Let's all go back for holiday. But before we go,